Hi, welcome to Jamaican Cooking 101. Today we are doing some peanut drops. So we have done the grater cake, the gizzardas, and the coconut drops. So today it's time for the peanut drops. So let me prep the ingredients and we'll be right back. Stay tuned to Jamaican Cooking 101. Welcome back. So I have the ingredients here and they are simple. Some water, sugar, peanut, and a bit of ginger. So I'm putting in a small amount of water and I am going to be adding the ginger to the water. No, I don't want the ginger to be a part of the end product. I just want the flavor of the ginger. So I'm going to bring that to a boil and then I'm going to add the peanut and the sugar. You can see I have the piece of banana leaf over there because that's what I'm going to drop the peanut drops on. Alright, so once the ginger and the water comes to a boil, I'm going to remove the ginger. Alright, I don't think I want to go enjoying the peanut drops and end up with a big piece of ginger. Alright, so once I remove the ginger from the water, I will then add the peanuts. Now the peanuts, I have parched them or baked them, so they don't need much cooking. So I'm giving that a good stir and I'm gonna cover the pot, but shortly afterwards I'm gonna remove the lid. Okay, now this peanut drops is specially made for Marvin from Davis Family Life. Alright, so Marvin, big up yourself. Alright, so here I'm gonna be adding granulated sugar. Of course you could have added brown sugar, but I want them to have a very light and delicate color. So I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar to that 1 1/4 cup of baked peanuts. So I am finishing up with the sugar and I'm going to stir until it dissolves into the water. Alright, this is what it looks like. The syrup is very runny at this point, and as the cooking continues you'll see it getting thicker and thicker. Alright, so we are going to allow that to come to a boil again, and from time to time we open the pot and stir. This is not a very difficult recipe, so anyone can try this. Alright, so you're seeing that the syrup is getting a bit thicker, but it is still not ready for dropping. Okay, so we continue boiling that until it is reduced and the syrup is thick enough. So I'm gonna test a little bit. Just put it on the banana leaf, or if you have grease paper or foil. Now you can see the syrup is not setting just yet, so we have to boil some more. Now you want to lower your temperature at this point because you don't want it sticking or burning. You will know when the mixture is ready for dropping just by looking at the syrup. The syrup will become very thick and you find that when you're stirring, it's leaving a pathway. Alright, so at this point I think I'm ready to add them to the banana leaf. So I've removed it from the fire just so that it doesn't continue cooking, because you know if sugar continue cooking it will certainly burn. Alright, so I'm dropping some neat little dainty ones. Marvin, please do not tell us you want bigger ones here. Alright, so I'm finishing up now, and if you don't move quickly the sugar is gonna start getting hard and drying out, so you have to move quickly. So here I have them, some peanut drops, Jamaican style. You know, we have some called peanut brittle and it is basically no different. Okay, so you can try this recipe. It is simple, quick and easy. Alright, so these came out well. They're set up nice and proper, and if I did plan to go sell them, I could have just put them in some plastic bag and go around and say nutsy nutsy. Alright, so here I have them. Do enjoy the recipe, try it for yourself. This is another traditional Jamaican item. Thank you so much for watching Jamaican Cooking 101.